Hi, I'm Penny of Penny Price Aromatherapy. Welcome to video 5 in the series. Now, this is the exciting part of the series, blending the oils you've learned about into products that you can use for yourself and for people you live with. So let's dive straight into our blending class, where you'll learn to make your own hand cream, massage oil and bath lotion. hope you enjoyed watching how you can make products to help you and your family using just a few aromatherapy products alongside the essential oils you've learned about in this course. To thank you for being part of this course, I have a very special offer for you. I really, really want you to succeed. I've been in your shoes and at a crossroad in life and believe that you can change your life with aromatherapy. And that's why I have created a very special essential oil starter kit for you. And here's what you get. Of course, you will get the 4 essential oils that we've been learning about. So frankincense, Palma rosa, eucalyptus, stageriana and Spanish sage. To help you make the products in this video, you will also receive a blending lotion, some vitamin-rich sunflower oil, a measuring cup, mixing bowl and stirring rod. You'll be able to follow this video then to build blends and products that will help your self-confidence and enable you to move forward on life's journey. Used externally, of course, you'll see a difference. You'll start to see your hands becoming soft and smooth by using the hand cream. The skin on your body will be moisturised and less dry by using the vitamin-rich massage oil. And your whole body will deep cleanse and relax when you use the bath lotion. But the biggest changes will be mentally and emotionally, helping you to accept where you are in life and moving you on in self-confidence and acceptance, ready to carry on with your journey to wellness in mind and body. Here's what you need to do right now. Just fill out the secure order form and in just a few clicks, your essential oil starter kit will be winging its way to you. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope we see you in our academy someday, but until then, click for your kit and start your new life in aromatherapy.